Second semi-final race coming up in the 400 hurdles for men. It includes the Dominican Denick Luke, who has been in splendid form from the back end of last season.
Running a lot of the meets locally as well. Should point out, only the top two are guaranteed a spot in the final, Daniel. So when we see Assini Wilson and Demar Murray at 50.48 and 50.95 respectively, they are in the final. Sean Hewitt and Antonio Forbes are on the bubble, and that means Zachary Chamberlain at 51.30 and everyone else who finished behind him will not be in the final.
Denick Luke went to the Olympic Games in Tokyo for Dominica, running the 800 meters, didn't finish the race, has switched to the 400 hurdles in the last few seasons, has gone 48.37, Dominican national record, and a 45.75 this season. He's also their 800 national record holder at 146.81. Second semi-final, men's 400 hurdles. Malachi Needham, Era Track Club, Richard Hall, Eagles, Romario Stewart, Micah University, Hoffman and Luke of Racers Track Club, and Jordan Taylor of Titans Track Club on the outside in lane number 8. Too short to go through, excluding the Dominican Luke, who is favored to win this race. Sent on their way. Pretty brisk start for Jordan Taylor of Titans Track Club in lane number 8. Starting to respond, Denick Luke of Racers in 7. And the tall figure of Luke, the former Edwin Allen 800 man, flying down the backstretch. They go through 200 meters. Oh, Luke is going really fast here. This is an impressive performance from the Dominican. The rest will have to chase. Of course, they know that it is 2 after Luke. Into the straightaway they come. Denick Luke with a commanding advantage. Stewart is running well. Here's the final barrier. Denick Luke is clear, and he is pushing for a fast time. Will be just outside 49.54. Pretty strong wind down the home stretch. Could see him trying to force his way through, but at 49.54, and that was a pretty big win with the others running for qualifying positions. Stewart 51.31. He is through, as is Hall at 51.7.
Yeah, that was a bit of a final for Dennis Luke. He's not going to be able to run in the Jamaican final, so brought that semi-final through in 49.54, the fastest time we've seen this evening. And the fastest Jamaican in the field on the start list for Mario Stewart, he finished second. First for the Jamaicans, of course.
Romario Stewart, 51.31 from Michael. Again, we're going to have a bit of an issue, Ricardo. First, let's talk about how well Denick Luke did a while ago. He went 13 strides for the first 7 hurdles. Spectacular running. Went to 14 for 8 and 9, and then 15 to come home for hurdle number 10. Daniel Dowie said it right. This was his final as a non-Jamaican. The heats become his finals, and he ran 59.54. A big challenge for him coming home, though. The wind in the home stretch, still a bit of a challenge. We should point out, though, that the second place in this heat number 2 was Richard Hall at 51.79. His second place time, though much slower than a number of the athletes in semi-final or heat number 1, gets him through as an automatic qualifier.
Sure does. Romario Stewart, bronze medalist at the Pan American Junior Games, the under 23 last year.